Hi guys, this is Dr.RAYLEE here. I want to show you how you can prepare your own toothpaste at home, and I got two options for you, and either of them is effective in maintaining a healthy oral care. If you are using a commercial toothpaste to clean your teeth, you might want to think twice, especially if it is fluoride based, and I have a video where I talk about why you might want to avoid a fluoride toothpaste. You can check it out after watching this video. You see, having a healthy set of teeth and gum are very important to oral health, and it is important to use a toothpaste that is free of harmful chemicals. You might be asking, what is wrong with the commercial toothpaste I'm using? Well, in order to understand why it is safer to use your own prepared home toothpaste, let's get to know the chemistry of your saliva and what most of these commercial toothpaste do to the integrity of your saliva. You see, saliva is made up of 90% of water, then 1% of electrolytes, mucus, white blood cells, antimicrobials, protein, enzymes, and other components necessary for a healthy oral cavity and for a good digestion. The issue with a lot of these commercial toothpaste is that they contain fluoride, which is number one, toxic. They also contain artificial flavors, synthetic colors, propylene, glycol. They also contain dioxane, which is a carcinogen, and they make the kidneys and the liver very toxic. They also contain what we call triclosan, which is an endocrine disruptor and also increases a child's risk of getting allergy. So all you might know, that allergy your child is suffering from now might have been due to the exposure or the use of some of these commercial toothpaste. Then you also have what we call carrageenan, which is contained in some of these commercial toothpaste, which also potentially causes colon cancer. And then we have sodium lauryl sulfate found in shampoos and detergent, and parabens, which are also endocrine disruptors as well. So imagine exposing your cavities and your system to these various substances in the commercial toothpaste you are using over a long period of time. That will really cause harm, and it will destroy the integrity of the saliva and also cause harm to the body. And that is why it is very necessary that you get another alternative which is effective and safer, even though it might be expensive, but with no side effect. And that is my point. You see, it seems counterproductive to think that brushing your teeth to get rid of germs, but doing so with so many chemicals that can cause significant damage to your body. Instead, we have to go for our own homemade toothpaste, and that is why I am doing this video for you, to bring you how you, or to show you how you can make your own toothpaste at home, which is effective and safer than most of these commercial toothpaste out there. So I'm going to give you two options. Either of them is fine. Now the first option is to go for number one, half teaspoon of baking soda, then half teaspoon of coconut oil, and a pinch of sea salt, and 3 drops of essential peppermint oil. Now the second option is to go for a teaspoon of coconut oil, half teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide, and that is especially the 3% USP. Okay, and lastly 3 drops of cinnamon or clove oil or oregano oil. Now either of these options are good for you. So how do you prepare it? It's very simple. You mix them together and you use them either once a day or twice a day. Okay, now the salts act as both abrasives texture that can rid your teeth of stuck on stains and help kill germs. Number two is the coconut oils also help kill off bacteria, prevents tooth decay, and it removes harmful chemicals. And why are we including baking soda? It's because baking soda also helps kill the germs, neutralize your mouth, and eliminate bad breath, and remove stains and makes the teeth whiter. Then the hydrogen peroxide also makes the teeth white and also fights off microbes. Then the peppermint oil gives you a minty fresh smell, and that is why we are adding peppermint oil. So it is also optional. If you don't want that minty fresh smell, you can omit peppermint oil from that recipe. Then we have the oregano, clove, and cinnamon oil. They also act as antimicrobial, and brushing your teeth once or twice in a day will give you the best results for a healthy oral cavity and a good system, which is safer and better than most of these commercial toothpaste out there. So these are the two options, and either of them is fine. You are good to go. If you find this video helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up by tapping the like icon you see right on your screen, and tell us in the comment section of this video your experience with oral hygiene, and share this with all your loved ones. Hey, always remember that God wants you healthy. Your health, your life.